Enter the host. F6.
So-
This meeting is this info. OK button. Enter the host.
Okay.
Gotcha. Yeah.
And now we're going to talk about JAWS, of course. So the most important thing to navigate, of course, is the use of JAWS because we can't see, right?
Correct. Yep.
All right. So what's the first thing that we must do before we can use JAWS?
Activate it.
Install it. Install it.
There you go. You got to install it. So
Make sure it's on.
So
Yeah.
what is JAWS? By the way, what is JAWS short for?
Job
access with speech.
Job access with speech.
Just
So
another way to speak.
it's and what type of operating systems can you use JAWS with?
Windows.
Windows.
Is that it? Just Windows?
Linux.
Linux.
Linux? Is that it?
Mac.
Mac.
Mac, yes, okay. Now, this assumes a basic that you have a basic familiarity, of course, with your computer, okay?
Yes.
Because but you don't need to, because as Todd can tell you, he knew nothing about computers before he got one and learned JAWS.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
So,
very good.
we of course recommend always having the latest version of JAWS because it works so wonderful, right?
Yes.
Sure.
Okay.
I said yes.
So now, does anybody know how we could adjust our speech rate in JAWS?
There are a couple of ways, Jerry, that we can do that.
What would be the quickest, most convenient way to do it?
Page up or page down?
No.
Which one do you want? You want so it'll be permanent change or just
Yeah.
for when I'm working?
Well,
That's the first question.
why don't we just get there to where that setting is to begin with?
So I thought you wanted the quickest way.
Well, it don't have to be, but let's just give a way to get there.
Okay. Control Windows something.
Control Windows Alt,
Ah,
page up or page
up or
down.
page down.
Okay, yep, that's one way. What's another way we can get there?
Control Alt.
Control Alt.
Okay,
Page up, page down.
Page down.
and there's another way we can do using your insert key. And what is the insert key, by the way?
Modifier.
A modifier. Yes, and the insert or the zero key, if you have a numpad, what are those keys called? They're a modifier key. But what do I call that key?
You call it the JAWS key, right, Jerry?
The JAWS key. Yep.
Yay.
So using the JAWS key, how's there another way that I could get to the voice and the rate, the speech rate?
Insert JAWS something.
Zero.
No. So
JAWS key something.
he's right by the JAWS key, something and then something and then something. Just I'm giving you clues here.
Insert J.
Insert J, then what?
Then
it depends on how you have your thing set up.
Well, let's just assume that it is not set up in system tray because a lot of people don't. We're talking about new users here, which wouldn't know to do that in this.
So insert J, and then we want to go to, because we're in a dialogue, we're in
want
the
to go to
JAWS
the
box.
options menu then.
So
You're already in
and
there
we
by
do
doing
that.
insert J.
No, you got to hit Alt to get into your menu.
Yep.
Very good. See, I was trying to throw them off. Well, thanks.
Now, how do you navigate the menus once you hit Alt?
Right arrow.
Right arrow.
You
Or
right
left?
Or left.
There you go. Yep.
Okay.
Both.
And then once we're in there, we can go to what? What option are we looking for?
Speaking rate.
Speaking right. Speak right.
What option are we looking for?
Not right yet. You got to look for a main
your
option.
menus. You have option, help. I can't think of the other ones.
Option, help. You got
You also have voice
Utility.
adjustment.
utility. Yep.
So
And then basic.
utilities, options, basic, help.
Yep.
Basic is an option.
Basic, yeah.
True.
It's in
Yeah,
options.
basic.
Oh yeah, it's the first one, isn't it?
Yeah,
Mhm.
Yeah. Way to go, Eagles. Or Mario.
Mario. So where would we
Way to go,
go?
Mario.
We hit insert J. So where are we going? Under.
So is it utilities or options, guys?
It's one of the two.
Options.
Options.
And then
Okay.
what?
Mm,
Basics.
Basics.
And then what?
Right or left arrow?
So what? What are you?
Voices.
What are you?
Aren't you in a list by that point?
And then you
Yes.
want to look for your speaking rate, don't you?
Nope. Ulysses actually just said it if you listen to him.
I just said it a minute ago, Todd. It's voices.
Voice. Go to voice and then what? And then
Hey, wait, they were right arrowing. They could have expanded something, then you
yeah,
would
they
have
could
never
have.
found
Yeah,
voice,
and then they would never found voice exactly.
You're in a list, guys. So you wanted to use what? Basic navigating key.
Mhm.
What
Arrow.
goes up and down the list?
Down, yeah.
Up or down arrow. Yes, Ulysses. Very good.
Yeah,
You
okay.
go down to voice and then you go to rate. Okay.
Yes.
Now to find a comfortable level, how would we basically change our level now that we're at rate? How would we change the rate? We're on it now. We selected it. How do we
Arrow
change
keys.
arrow
So,
key?
so
Really?
there's a lot of selections there. How do you
Control
navigate
the
each
meeting.
one of those selections?
Ah,
Basic navigating keys.
arrow keys. Up.
This
Guys,
Okay.
you got to think.
How do you move from each selection?
Yeah.
Your arrow keys are going to go up and down, like make it faster, make it slower, make the
Left
voice
and right.
louder, make it lower. Left and right's going to work the same as up and down in this function
Yep.
for changing the rate or
Yep.
the voice. So
I don't know what we're talking about, so I'm just guessing tab.
yes,
When-
tab.
job.
So
Tab,
thank
there
you,
you
Ken.
go.
Said that already.
Ken, welcome, Ken.
And
Ken,
that's actually what we're talking about. So, Mr. Ken, thank
Oh,
you
so
for
I did have I had the correct answer. What was the
you
question?
did.
So we're in voice and settings, right?
Oh, okay.
And we're
Uh-huh.
navigating between the different selections, like
Oh,
voice rate and
gotcha.
all that.
Yes, sir.
Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
it's
Not at all.
Lester.
I don't hear somebody call Lester.
Before Ken came on, I said tabs.
Oh, I
Oh.
did not hear you say
Oh.
that. I do apologize.
That's it. I'm
He's out of
You
here.
wait.
Oh,
I am
oh,
so
oh.
unprofessional.
You
but very
insulted him
good.
for the last time, Jerry.
I know it.
you
So
wait until I learn how to use the
I know.
JAWS to talk to me.
I know it. So that's how we would change our rate of speech, and that's very important for a new person because you might listen to yours a little bit quicker, where a new person is going to want it slower. You
They're
wouldn't want
starting
your
out, they want them to
It-
be able to start it off
yeah,
slow.
you don't want it like
you want
Kenny.
you have to say you want them to hear
That's it.
mine.
No more.
no.
Go ahead.
All gone.
Go ahead,
You
Kenny. Do it.
There,
you want me to
just
share
heard
my
it.
screen?
Yeah,
Seriously?
do it. Do it, Kenny.
Okay.
Let
Hey, I
them hear
will.
yours. Do it. Let them
I
hear
am.
yours.
I am getting the volume selected.
You'll hear the
Balance.
first, the middle, and the last.
Change it like about 80 or 90, I think.
This is
Okay,
about
here we go.
120.
He's much
Go ahead.
faster than that.
Okay. Let me get the sound.
Yep, please.
I read mine at 6.
6 miles an hour. Wow.
Next.
Screen sharing.
Oh.
Viewing Ken's screen. You are viewing Ken's screen.
Okay.
Ken Button, screen share.
Yeah, quick.
Yeah, there we go.
Okay,
Join
hold on.
button unavailable. Mean
Uh,
controls.
See, we
So,
can go
yeah.
faster. And we can go
Yeah.
slower.
Right.
What was
But-
it? I knew someone did in the 200s.
So yeah, I know. So now now when we're in that menu with the voice and then the speech rate, is that a temporary change or would that be a permanent change?
In the
Temporary.
menu?
In the menus?
In
Yeah,
the menu? Okay.
In the menu.
Would you like me to go to the menu so y'all can see it? I will slow
Permanent?
my speech down, though, if you want.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you please lower your speech there, Kenny?
Oh, I would if they really want me to demo something. This is just the way I do it.
Oh,
But
okay.
yes, sir, I will.
It's
So
temporary until you lock it in.
how would you lock it in?
Enter.
Insert
Enter.
Oh, no, you're in the menu.
So Ken, go ahead and go there. Go ahead and go to the
Okay,
voice
let me
and
slow
then
it
the
down to.
Control Shift up Control
How
Shift.
do you navigate through each one of your selections? Because you're in a bunch of
Why am I having such a
voice
delay
selection.
here?
I don't know.
Right arrow, left arrow, up arrow, down
My
arrow.
JAWS is not speaking.
No, that
Okay, so
changes the rate,
Oh,
speech,
hold
or
on. You're
whatever
wanting to navigate
choices.
in a menu.
So we went into
Which
voice
be
and
tab. Want you to go up and shift tab to go back.
Okay, here we go.
yes, through it, right? So what do you think
Okay.
that's going to do when you get to the end of all your choices?
There's gonna be a button.
Maybe, yeah, it could be a button. Maybe, could be.
How about
What is it going to say? Is it going to say? It might say, okay,
or
install,
apply. Yep.
apply,
Yep.
don't
Confirm.
cancel.
It could be different
Confirm.
options.
I wasn't gonna say everything.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
Well, you can navigate us there when you got yourself
Ooh, somebody
in
said okay.
Okay.
Yep.
there.
So go ahead and go into the voice and then right in the
It'll
menu.
be okay.
I am trying to. It
Right.
is
It'll be
let's see if
okay,
every day I'll
Kenny.
turn on.
It'll be okay.
Well,
Do you see my screen?
Yeah, we
No,
see your screen. Yes.
I know my JAWS
Oh,
is not
Jerry sees
talking.
it.
So how do
Oh,
we get
no.
Jaws to talk again if it shuts out? If it quits
I
talking?
am working on that. I'm doing that, sir. Nothing is working. I just try to turn NVIDIA on too. I'm wondering if it's my keyboard though. Is it? Let me check that real quick. Because I'm doing.
Escape.
There is it.
Uh-oh.
Escape.
That
Well,
was
yeah.
the
No, I just
lesson.
unplugged it and plugged it back up. Yeah.
What's your keyboard?
Okay. No, it's still not doing anything.
Huh.
Escape. Come on.
Nothing.
Wait, let me try narrator.
Oh, jeez.
Oh boy.
Oh, it's time
This
for
hard
good
for a
old
computer.
Alt F4.
You
I'm
can't
just
get
kidding.
NVDA up, man. That's,
No, I couldn't. I just did the Control Alt N too, and
Yeah.
goodness, seriously, good gravy.
Maybe it's your internet.
What's that got to do with? Well, no, we're on Zoom. What's that got to do with the
First
voice?
thing
You
you
thought about
said
it.
was, what is that guy?
Escape.
Oh.
There's it.
There she is.
Let's see.
Maybe it's just going too fast for you.
No,
Join
I'm.
button unavailable.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
Now
maybe
it's
I'm doing.
talking.
Join button unavailable.
Okay.
Not it's
Join.
available.
Let's see. Alt Tab. It's not doing anything. Insert J.
Yep.
Now force it to talk after you do a tab. Go
Do
tab.
y'all
and
hear the
insert.
click?
Context menu. Option sub menu. To move through items, press up
Oh.
the arrow.
Yes.
Then tab
Finally.
and then do it again. Force it to talk. A lot of
Yes.
times they won't talk when you navigate.
Yep.
You have to
Oh,
force it.
option sub menu. Oh.
Got me? It's a pain in the
Option-
butt.
Yep.
Dude,
Option
the only
sub-
other choice you have is
Okay.
to reload.
Yeah.
Reload.
Yes.
Reload it.
Yes.
Loading JAWS. With JAWS dialog. Enter.
Well, I was just
There
trying to
you
get
go.
it to talk so I could actually hear it to begin with. So yeah, we're going to try that.
Force it. Don't let it
yeah.
get away with it. Don't let it do that.
That's right. That's so rude of it.
There we go. Well, is it still?
Whip
Slower.
it. Whip it into shape.
There you
Slower.
go. That's perfect.
Is that slow enough for
JAWS context
everybody?
menu. Option sub
Yeah.
menu.
Yeah.
so.
Basics
Good, yeah.
E.
I mean,
Voices sub menu V. Braille L. Voices sub menu V. Enter. Voice adjustment V. Select the voice profile. Add / remove voices Voice adjustment
Come on. There we go.
And leaving menus. Voice adjustment dialog. Profile name : combo box. Eloquence 1 of 15.
I like how Josh
So
said
now-
profile.
So now here's a question.
Delete profile button.
Do we all? Go ahead, Mr.
Yeah.
Kenny, get us
I
down
was
there.
just getting to the Joyce.
you're-
the voice rate,
Yep.
but I can stop.
No, do it. I said go ahead.
Okay.
That's actually good.
Synthesizer language : combo box. Match JAWS UI language left parent primary. Speak sample button to act. Voice adjust : combo box. All contexts 1 of 5. The voice rate : 80. Left right slider 36% to increaser.
Okay, there's the rate.
And see, and it said to increase. I told him what he could do.
Rate : 80. Left right slider 36%.
Oh wait,
You said-
let me repeat that.
Voice
Okay.
adjust voice rate : 80. Left right slider 36% to increase or decrease. Use the arrow keys.
Slider.
So it
Use
said
the arrow
left.
key.
It said left,
It said-
right slider though.
76.
It said left, right
75,
slider,
31%,
but it said
74,
use arrow
30%.
keys,
Oh.
which means you can use any one of the arrow
30%.
keys.
Yep.
What do y'all want it to be? What do you want the voice rate to be so y'all can understand it?
Put it to 32.
30.
Started for 6.
For
32.
70, 61, 19%.
Oh, God.
51, 10%.
How about that? That's going to drive me crazy.
I had someone
No.
lower than 10%
That is
one
so
time.
hard.
It's like,
Go to
0%.
55%.
took forever to get through that class.
Go to 55%,
55.
Mr. Ken.
2,
It's on
1%.
42.
43, 44, 45,
Go
4%,
55.
47,
I'm
6,
going.
49, 50,
50 still
52,
pretty
53,
slow.
54, 55.
There we go.
Okay.
That's
We're
good.
55.
All right. So when we're working with JAWS and we make a change in a menu somewhere, is there always going to necessarily be an OK or an apply button?
No.
Philip Rich put in waiting room.
In the menu?
Philip Rich put in.
Yeah, and
Philip Rich has entered the waiting.
in the menu, if you go into
I know I'm letting somebody else answer that question.
Anybody have an idea?
Yes.
Go for it,
Philip
Lester.
Rich
Oh,
has left
Yeah,
the waiting
you say
room
there's
for
always
the
like an
meeting.
OK or apply button?
Philip Rich has joined the meeting.
I'd say yes.
save or
Except-
cancel.
Anybody else have an answer? I got 2 guesses. Anybody else?
It's hard
Todd?
not to agree with Mario, guys. So I don't know why
Anybody
you're
else?
not answering.
Todd?
I had
Lester?
a talk there, so excuse me. I'd say
Oh.
yes.
Okay, Todd says yes. Lester?
Lester?
Yes.
Bill?
We got another yes.
You asking me?
Phil,
Yeah.
not Bill.
Bill.
It is close, though.
Yes, very close. Okay, so everyone says yes. So, I got a little news secret for you. Not every menu, when you change the setting, is there an OK button. Sometimes you just have to back out of it.
Yeah,
Oh,
once you do the change, you're
Once you do
pretty
the
much good on most things in JAWS.
And
So
there
just-
is you don't literally have to tab to it. But
Right.
is there one in this one? Is there a OK or save or cancel button in this dialog box? Does anybody want to guess? For the
Anybody?
voice rate?
There could be.
Has
But
to
is
be.
there? Where
Oh,
is
there could be. Yes, that's what it's being. Do you think there is though? Yes or no?
I
Yes.
say yes.
I'm gonna go
Okay.
out on a limb and say yes.
Me too.
We got three yeses.
Mario, what do you think, sir?
No.
Mario
You gotta-
said no. Okay.
No, that was Bill.
Oh, that was
What's the question?
Is there an OK,
Okay,
save, or a cancel
or
button in
cancel.
this dialog box?
I think so, yeah.
Me
You
too.
think so? Okay.
Give me the answer, Ken.
Let's see.
Don and Donut the bear.
Oh, Donut's here.
All right.
Colon combo.
Don and Donut.
Okay.
Which
Tab.
one is it?
Donut the bear
Is
put
it
in
Donut?
waiting room. Don and
Donut
the bear has joined the meeting.
Donut,
The
Donut,
waiting
Donut
room
the
for
bear.
this meeting.
Welcome to the meeting,
Six to
Donut.
new up dash
Hello,
upper
Donut.
result.
Shut up.
Don.
Be
So-
quiet.
Voice volume colon. Voice spell rate change. Voice upper OK button
Ooh,
to activate.
There's
Ah,
an OK
there it
There
button.
is an OK button. Hear it?
Don and Donut the
Wait,
bear has
is there a
joined the
cancel
meeting.
though?
Press
Okay.
F6 to move between meeting controls and
shut
reclaim
up.
host pop-up.
Shut up.
Is there a cancel button, guys?
Yes.
Save with ... button to act.
Oh, there's an OK, so...
And there's
If
a
there's an
save.
okay, there should be a cancel also.
Mhm.
Should be, but
Okay.
is there?
There's
Yes.
OK. Next is a.
Cancel button to
Ooh,
activate.
ah, there it is.
There
Let's
is.
see.
Uh,
Is there another button?
They should have known that because I just accidentally went to it.
I know. I wasn't going to say that. No.
I bypassed the cancel.
Is there another one?
No
Yeah.
one bites the dust.
Another
Colon
one down.
name colon combo box. Eloquent.
So
Don't know.
Ah,
Oh,
So-
eloquence.
Eloquence.
that's the back at the beginning. I shifted.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh.
Can
Cancel
I ask a
button.
question?
There's the cancel.
Yes,
and I'm gonna
what-
shift tab.
Apply
What is
button.
your
There's
question?
the apply
Apply.
button. Did y'all hear that?
There's an
Yeah.
apply button too. Yep. Okay. Go ahead. That's what's your question, sir.
In this, does it let you know if it has, you can add it or you just decide to get out of it? It automatically stays there. How do you know you got a tab no matter what, right?
Yeah, you want to tap to see if there's an OK button or to see
Yeah.
if there's an apply or.
Yeah.
or cancel.
Always,
Yes.
always go
Always
down to
tab.
it. Yeah.
Yeah, always tab. The only thing is if it doesn't have OK, save, cancel, or apply, it's just going to wrap back around. So always tab until you recognize where you're at. You'll know it wrapped.
Exactly.
Gotcha.
So, all right. So now here's
Okay,
the.
I got a question. Another
Yes.
one.
Yes. Go ahead,
Okay,
please.
let's say it doesn't have tab.
What you mean?
It
Your
goes in-
keyboard always has tab.
We're talking about JAWS menus. You're always going to tab through those.
Okay.
Tab,
Jaws
tab
menus,
and arrow
tab is your
keys.
best
tab,
friend.
read backwards.
I'll
We'll be
cancel
using
that
those
question.
a lot.
Okay, yeah, just to let
I'll
you know. But if you're
rephrase it
talking about
later.
another one, yes, there you go.
Okay.
Okay,
Vietnam-
Go
so
for it, Les. Go, Les,
ahead.
if you had another question.
No.
So in other
Because
so what you're asking us is in other programs, what are you going necessarily going to be able to tab? 9 times out of 10, the answer is yes.
Okay.
But
Let's
not
say
always.
it doesn't have a a tab. How does it go automatic? Like, let's say you land on
Well,
something that.
So
Are we
here's
still talking about dialog boxes, Les? Be a little bit more specific of what we're talking about. It's going to be having a tab or not.
So,
So-
You don't
if
mind.
you can't tab, you're either in a dialog box or you're in a list that doesn't
Or-
have a
yep.
tab to go to.
Okay.
You know, so that you can't move out of.
or
You
you
got
might
it.
be at the very end of the of an option, and it doesn't wrap around automatically,
hmm
which is not super common, but it can happen. Yes.
And then there are
Yeah.
some
Okay.
programs that won't
Or
use
waiting
tab.
room.
You use arrow
Yeah.
keys to go up and down.
I got it. Thank you.
But I was just clarifying in the JAWS
Yeah.
menus, when you go into one of those, you will
Yeah,
tab
always
through those,
tab.
and
Yep.
it will always wrap around.
Press F.
So here's another good question for everybody, and I want everyone to take a shot at this. There's no
Very
wrong
much.
answer. So we learned earlier that
Very
JAWS is called job access with speech, right?
Yes.
Mhm.
I thought
So
it was-
what does JAWS do?
The screen reader.
What does that mean?
It reads to us what is on the screen that we cannot see.
Mm-hmm.
and
Not
computes
everything.
what's on the screen.
Yeah, it computes the text like voice to speech.
So in other words, it
Dictation.
converts. So in other words, it converts things from a visual to an audio cue, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, what?
And a tactile cue as well.
Yes, sir.
What did you say, Phil?
Tactile cue. And I'm
Yes,
aware that I was happy that you welcomed Dawn in the meeting, but you failed to welcome me. Was that
I
an
thought-
open?
It was.
No,
it-
we said
we
hello,
did.
Phil. We even
You
asked
didn't
you
respond back.
we
to
asked
us.
you a question too to
I
answer a
was probably
question.
not quite in yet.
Oh, well then we did
yeah.
it too soon. But we were like, Phil, what do you think as well? And we're like, okay. Well, welcome,
Sorry.
Philly G.
Hello. Hello, hello.
We still
Later
love
I
you
have
just
to
as
talk
we
with you
still
about
love
some-
you just as much.
There you go.
Later I have to talk with you about some things, but continue your lesson.
Yes.
We didn't
Yes, sir.
say
Yes,
welcome
sir.
Darren either. So
Darren,
Oh yeah, welcome,
Oh,
Darren.
Darren.
Aaron, welcome.
Thank you.
You said hello to Donut, though.
Yeah, we didn't
Yeah.
say hello
We
to
didn't
Don. We
say
said,
hello to
hey,
Don.
donut.
Yeah.
We said, hey, donut.
Hey,
So-
Dawn said her audio on her Fusion's not working. Her Fusion's not, it's failing to open.
Oh no.
Okay, we'll help her with.
Close it out and just open the JAWS part for
Yeah.
a moment. Close
Or
out
she-
Fusion and then just Windows key JAWS 2025 or whatever version you have, because you can open that separate than Fusion.
Correct.
Oh.
If you can hear me, Don.
Fusion.
How?
she just wanted
Oh,
to
we
have
hear
an
you.
excuse.
We hear you, Don.
Alt
Alt
F4.
F4.
That's because you're hearing me in the same
Darren's room.
place.
Correct. I said Alt
but that's where
F4
his
with
computer
Fusion and focus. Alt F4.
So,
See, this would never happen if you had a Hartford computer.
How
I'd
long
say-
did you have to wait, Phil,
it
for
just
your
said Alt
Hartford
F4
computer?
Zoom meeting.
Oh,
Well,
you have to wait.
are you
Maybe
able to Alt Tab to bring
trying to
Fusion in
remember.
focus, and then when you're on focus for
It was
Fusion,
that long, huh?
yeah, do the Alt F4,
I
and then
don't
it should
think
say, "Are you sure you want to
waiting
close
for it
Fusion?"
wasn't that long. No.
Say yes.
What
Okay,
happened
but,
after
and then
it drove me
Yeah.
crazy.
Sure.
Right? Because anticipating.
Oops, sorry.
We're gonna get it.
What did you want?
Alt tab.
Yeah, Alt Tab until Fusion's in focus, because Fusion's got to be in focus, and then Alt F4 on
It's
Fusion.
just giving me Zoom meeting and posted test attendees.
Whoa.
Okay, then you may have it closed. So press your Windows key all by itself and type in JAWS and whatever version you have, 2025.
2025, yep.
Yes,
Hello,
Windows
hello.
spaces, JAWS
Today,
2025.
today.
2020.
I just want you to know, no.
No.
Dude, JAWS
That
2025.
I'm way too close
And
to the
then,
other
yeah, just
computer.
press.
I'm just gonna sign off. This is too much.
Okay.
I can't. It's echoing and it's just a disaster.
Well, that's because of the Zoom, but no worries.
I mean, I don't know how to fix it, and I can't. Okay.
How close are you to the other computer?
I'm right next to it. Let me leave.
There's
That's
why
why
you're
you're
echoing.
No.
You're too close.
Oh,
Like you can't do that.
But you can just mute and just listen, or restart your computer and mute and just listen to us to be in the.
I know, Dawn.
If I go out of the room, you can hear me, so this is gonna work.
Okay, so right now she needs to go.
She needs to hit the Windows key and just type JAWS 2025,
But
Windows R.
she's getting away, so she's not echoing to Darren's Zoom.
Okay, go JAWS 2025.
Yeah, Windows key, JAWS 2025.
2024.
Or
Oh,
24,
then
yeah.
2024, whatever version it is, Don, whatever version you have.
Shh, don't tell us what version. It's
Yeah, I know that what
And then
JAWS is
enter.
fixing to do, don't y'all?
Yes, but I'm not wanting to talk about that yet.
For updates and everything like that, you're going to have your own profile.
I don't want to talk about that right now.
They're just finding every way to nickel and dime is what they're doing.
Listen, I don't want to talk about that no more.
Oh, I'm on options.
You get with us if you have.
Oh, good. So is
things,
JAWS working?
Profile's not going to matter. It's just an easier way to upgrade and get your contact
Okay, good.
information and stuff.
Yep. Okay, good. So with JAWS working now, now you can navigate because you can hear what it's saying. Very good.
But no, I mean, I could hear JAWS.
Uh-huh.
It was
Okay. So
I can't get the
Can't hear her though.
my volume's not working on my computer. My speakers
Oh, your speaker volumes are they a plug-in type or no?
I don't have them set up.
Okay, so what you want to do then, Don, is you want to go back into your Alt tab until you hear a Zoom meeting back into focus.
Okay. Zoom meeting.
And then you hear where it said audio button there, right?
Yeah.
he said yes.
Okay. So on audio button, if you arrow to the right there, this should give you options. One option should say speakers. Or output device, it should say, and then you could choose a speaker.
Nothing's happening.
Arrow down.
You got to arrow down.
Right.
Space bar and arrow down.
No, she said nothing's happening.
Does it
Press
that one?
the space bar and arrow
Yeah.
down.
You guys
space
press the
bar.
space bar.
Space bar.
I'm sharing my screen, Don. Do you want me to show you?
Nothing. It's not happening.
Can she
Just
do
leave
an
Zoom and
insert
come back.
F11?
Don, can you go to the system tray?
Insert
It's her
F11?
Zoom, she said.
You know what? I'm not gonna waste you guys' time.
All right.
Oh, we don't mind. This is actually what class is all
Actually,
about.
what we have Friday nights for.
Exactly. So you're not wasting time. Actually, this is what our class is for, Miss Don.
No, but I don't think it's gonna work because I don't have my external speakers plugged in.
What does that matter?
I don't know. I just thought I'm.
Okay.
We don't mind, Don, so just take your time and take a deep
Yeah.
breath, okay?
Okay.
It's okay, but it's not a problem. Just take
And-
a deep breath.
And it's a great learning experience for everybody to learn what happens when things mess up.
Okay.
It's fine, Don.
They really mess up. That's what happens.
Yeah. So just it's okay.
And it's
It's not a
okay
big
that
deal.
exactly.
We've all been there.
Yeah, we'll help you in any way that you want help. If it's too much right now, you can listen in with Darren. It's whatever's best for you, okay, Don?
My computer and help me?
Yeah,
Yeah, that works.
Okay.
Too bad she's not in Zoom and her Mac.
I know her Mac is such a nice computer too.
Yeah. The speakers just like line. They go in the line. They go.
Cancel.
So you want to go to Teams? Or what am I going to do?
Okay. What did the last thing it say?
As I said, yeah, are you talking to Darren or are you talking to
No,
us?
I'm talking to you. What do you want me to
Okay.
go to have you come in?
Okay. When you're on audio settings, you want to hit your. Go ahead, Kenny.
Just to be clear, Don, and I do apologize because there was a lot of other talk and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
You're having issues with your audio on your computer 100% or just Zoom?
Just Zoom.
Okay, just Zoom. Then yes. Let's bring Zoom into focus.
Oh, but I thought you wanted to come in the computer. No?
Alt tab to Zoom's in focus if that's the only thing. If Zoom's the only thing we're having issues with, then it's the Zoom.
Well, that and the Fusion fails to load.
Oh, that can be
Okay.
fixed.
Fusion failed to load.
Mm-hmm.
Well, let's get
I
Zoom.
know
Let's
why.
get the Zoom audio going, and then we can help you with the Fusion part, if that's okay.
Zoom
And I don't think she
Okay.
did that thing that you had to do last month.
No.
Okay, so Zoom's in focus, correct?
Yeah, so you're gonna have to talk to Freedom.
Menu system to move
So,
through.
audio, I believe is. Let me make sure. 1 second, I'm testing myself of.
Sorry about that, Kenny.
No, mine is delayed too. My jaw's not talking again. We got to get up. We got to get up to the menu for the audio. So, you Alt by itself.
Leaving menus. Apply button to activate. Press space bar.
Now
Alt
mine's
plus A.
talking. So
If
let me
you're
shut
in
it up.
Zoom, you just tab to the audio mute, and
Yes.
then one more time, and then arrow down.
Yep.
Yeah, that's what I say. Alt to get up to the menu, and then you're going to tab until you hear audio.
Audio, and then one more to audio mute.
Well,
Yeah, because audio mute, and then it's past that once. One.
yeah, we're listening for just audio. There you go. Audio, press enter or space bar, either one.
Arrow down.
Arrow down.
And then arrow down. Yes.
Nothing.
Okay. Shift tab once.
Annotate buttons.
Okay, now tab.
Meeting information.
Meeting information.
Okay. Tab again. Tab.
The host is
Mhm.
Tab.
Sign up.
Tab.
View
Tab.
Tab.
Annotate button.
Tab.
Tab.
Same thing. Annotate button.
Yeah, you'll get there.
Tab.
Yeah, audio button. There you go.
Oh.
That's the first thing it said audio.
Now,
One
Yeah.
more time.
One more time.
audio settings button.
There it is.
Audio
Arrow
settings.
down.
There you go.
Arrow
Audio
down.
settings.
Arrow down.
Nothing.
Yes, nothing. Space bar and arrow. I have to space on mine.
Oh, okay.
Oh, nothing. Space. Nothing.
Oh, I heard the word space.
Yeah, so
It's space, but nothing happened.
okay.
Enter.
So yeah, try enter and arrow and down.
Me.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Huh. Something.
Wow. So yeah,
There's-
she's having some. She's got to reboot her computer. So
I did.
Yeah.
Before
Yeah.
This may be a silly question.
Yes, sir.
But could she have the speakers plugged into the wrong outlet?
I haven't
Doesn't
plugged in it.
No
She
speakers.
don't have any
She
speakers
doesn't have
plugged
any
in.
Oh.
speakers left.
They're built in.
Yeah.
They're built in. Ooh.
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry to hear that.
Why?
Sorry to hear that.
So
You're
just to
great,
let you
Les.
just to let you know though, Miss Dawn, to fix your fusion, you are going to have to contact Freedom Scientific for that part, unfortunately.
Mm-hmm.
What's going on with the fusion?
The speaker should a reboot should probably set it back.
Yep. Well,
Oh, after I do the fusion.
yeah, because Freedom Scientific did that in the fusion. You're supposed to do something like a week or so ago,
Oh.
and if you didn't do it, that's
Is it some type of update or something?
No, remember when you had to do that license thing?
Yeah, that license thing. Yeah.
Reinitialize your license?
Yeah.
No, I didn't have to.
Wow.
But I don't have
Wow.
Fusion, but I have JAWS
True.
Professional.
Didn't
too.
matter.
I have-
All Freedom Scientific products had to be done. Otherwise, you would have lost all communications with them.
Maybe
I
that's
know,
what's happening.
I
Maybe that's
haven't.
what's.
I did that licensing thing when it came up.
Oh, did
Okay,
Mhm.
so
That was a
now
while
that you
ago.
now that you have JAWS going, do Windows D, Don? Windows D is in Delta.
Mhm.
Now, go to your Fusion and see if it'll load now that you have JAWS open.
Here's the 2024 test, 18 and 23.
You press enter.
2024 dialog. Fusion DLL load failure left currency XSS
Load failure.
Uh-oh.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Yeah. Did you hear what it said afterwards, Kenny? Because I heard what it said. It said that.
No.
It says Fusion DLL load failure.
Yeah.
ZXSS
Yeah.
DLL.
So it's saying DLL, not .exe.
Correct.
So it sounds like to me, Miss Don, something has either your shortcut has been changed somehow. But it's okay because you can get a hold of Freedom Scientific and they can fix that for you.
Okay.
Which is what I would recommend because they'll go right in and fix that for you because it should have said just Fusion or Fusion.exe. So those are the two options that should have given us one or the other.
Default speaker has changed to Realtek digital output left parent Realtek left parent R right parent audio right parent and will now be used.
Huh?
Is that you, Mr. Kenny?
Screen sharing meeting controls. Your default speaker has changed to headset earphone left parent Corsair Void Elite wireless gaming dongle right parent and will now be used. Your default microphone has changed to headset microphone left parent Corsair Void Elite wireless gaming dongle right parent and will now be used.
Question now. Here's a quick question about navigation. How can we shut our jaws up?
Control.
Control key is our shut up key. And what type of key is a control key?
Modifier.
It is a modifier. Look at you guys.
Yeah.
Sharp tonight. All right. Now, sometimes when we're working with JAWS, we hear this thing that says JAWS has a virtual cursor and there's a JAWS cursor.
Yeah.
What does that mean? What is a virtual cursor?
Oh.
Screen sharing meeting controls.
We use that when we're using different
Websites.
programs, depending on what program you're using. One's for, like Bill was going over Amazon last week, and the virtual cursor is used for that.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
It's used for the mouse.
So what is the difference? Well, because isn't the PC cursor also used for the mouse?
Yes.
Yeah.
So then what's the difference between a virtual cursor and a PC cursor?
Escape. Screen sharing.
One of them you can't use JAWS and have it speak to you, and the other one you can. And you
Really?
can also use, well, I'm just guessing.
No, I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm just asking, is that really the case?
I would imagine it being.
The bear has left the meeting.
Okay.
Because it's two different systems altogether. Not
Is it?
systems,
Your default
but
speaker
two
has changed
different
to Realtek digital output left parent Realtek left parent R right parent audio right parent and will now be used.
and one where you use JAWS to tell you where you are, and then you use your 6-pack to move the cursor around.
Your default speaker has changed to headset earphone left parent Corsair Void Elite wireless gaming dongle right parent and will now be used.
So you're saying to me that you cannot control the
Default
PC
microphone has changed
cursor?
to headset microphone left parent Corsair Void
No,
Elite
no,
wireless
you
gaming
can
dongle right parent
control
and
it
will now
with
be
the
used.
mouse.
PC cursor is what you
But,
type text with in the edit field.
but it won't talk to you like JAWS does.
Really? So when you're taking out the PC
What
cursor,
in the world?
it says nothing?
I think they both talk.
They do both talk. So what's the difference between PC cursor and virtual cursor?
I have no more ideas.
One reads in HTML format.
Well, they both can. They both can. But the virtual cursor, here's the secret. The virtual
I'll be
cursor.
right back, guys. I'm gonna get a battery. That may be what's wrong with the keyboard.
All right. So the key is a virtual cursor can actually go and find things that's on your web page that using your keyboard you cannot get the PC cursor necessarily to. So that's the difference. Like in forums, right, Mr. Bill?
Yeah.
Hey, Jerry, can you say that again?
Bill Ritchie has left the meeting.
Bill Ritchie left us.
Hey, Jerry.
I haven't left.
No, I said Bill did. Yes. So a virtual cursor can find options that you cannot get your PC cursor with the keyboard to necessarily go over to.
Okay.
Like there might be a box, like or an option that's over to the right.
Yeah.
And of course, the cursor, the PC cursor, we can't control it with the keyboard to get it necessarily over there.
Right.
Where we can go to our virtual cursor, click on it, and it will then take us there. Does that make sense?
Yes.
That's
right.
That was the difference with Amazon too, correct?
Yep. Yeah, because the PC cursor typically will go into like different edit boxes where you can type at.
Yeah.
And you can control that, but you can't control it like if you're trying to click on a link, if you want to activate a link, for example. That's typically done with the virtual cursor.
Okay.
Okay.
Because it's like a different format. I mean, basically, right? I mean,
Bill Ritchie put in waiting room.
Yeah, so
Ritchie has entered the waiting room for his meeting. Press F6 to view pop dash up or press Alt+U to open participants panel.
So the virtual cursor is basically the cursor.
Bill Ritchie has joined the meeting. Bill Ritchie has left the waiting room for his meeting.
Welcome, Billy.
I've never done anything.
Bill Ritchie has joined the meeting.
So the virtual cursor is basically the cursor that JAWS virtually controls. It's not actually a physical, it's actually not a physical cursor that's showing on your screen.
Girl.
So JAWS can use that virtual cursor.
Sacrificed by her.
And that makes it nice.
The illegitimate daughter.
Okay, so let's talk about navigating. Okay.
Yes. God that she was sacrificed to.
Yeah.
That is she can unseal.
I think she's on the phone.
That's okay. Bill. Well, who should I ask about the first way that we can navigate with JAWS?
Gotta look for a way to unseal him.
Who's here?
Oh, okay.
Everybody got quiet. Who's here?
We got Darren. We got
Everybody's
of course,
here.
Ulysses.
Escape.
Oh, Don left.
Oh, yes.
Yeah,
Come back.
Don did leave. No, not yet.
Meeting controls to move. And then stop screen share. Viewing meeting.
Within Lester. He's our favorite guy to go to.
Yeah, he is.
Go, Lester.
How is one way we can navigate? Use JAWS to navigate.
With the six-pack, if you're talking.
What is a six-pack? I'm a new user.
Oh, that's the number pad over to the right of the computer at the top, and you have to put.
You get me lost.
Keyboard.
That's the number pad over there.
Yeah, keyboard on the right-hand side at the top, basically close to the top. Keypad. You have to put
Zoom meeting.
I can't think of the button you push.
Video now started.
Numlock.
Numlock, thank you.
Video now
And
stopped.
you will have numlock off.
Okay.
And there is number 5, I think it is, will make your pointer, I'm going to call it a pointer. Your pointer go to certain directions, and then you use the numbers to go up and down.
Okay. But do you know the way you just described that to me as a new user, I'm going to be really confused at this point.
I figured out what was wrong. My battery's in my keyboard.
Oh, nice.
I just changed it. It's working.
So, and this is for everybody to answer. If we go into forms mode, what is the purpose of going into forms mode with using JAWS?
Be able to activate or type what's
in an editable field. Yep.
In a form field.
So, like for example, if we go and we're on a web page, for example, right? And let's say Google. If we go to google.com, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we hit the E for the edit box, correct?
Yes.
Are we in forms field or are we not in forms field?
It depends on whether you have forms mode on auto or manual, whether you got to go into or not.
But I'm saying once we actually hit E and go into the edit box.
Get into the edit box, then yeah, you're in the forms mode.
Yes.
Yeah. But Ken, I knew you knew that.
My app. I put my mic up.
It's okay. I knew you knew that, Ken, but I want them to answer it. Yes, you would be in forms mode.
I'm hushing. I'm hushing. My bad.
No, that's okay. Okay. Now, how can I get to the quote unquote start menu with JAWS? So I'm using JAWS and I want to get to my start menu. How can I do that?
Windows key.
Press Windows key.
Windows key. Does everybody agree with that?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, you're all correct. Hit the Windows key by itself, and that will get us to the quote-unquote
start menu.
Start menu, yes. Very good. So now here's another question. This is simple. This is not a trick question.
Yeah.
If I do not have Microsoft Office, how can I start typing a Word document out? So I don't have Microsoft Word and I don't have Microsoft Office. So how can and Mario, you should know this very well. Without Word or Office, how can I type that letter?
There's 2 ways you can.
There are 2 ways.
You can use WordPad.
WordPad, yeah.
Computer has or use the free Microsoft Word on web.
No. We don't have internet.
Oh.
Do you know that some of the Windows 11 does not come with WordPad anymore? Just FYI.
Well, you can actually
you can actually put it on if you want.
I didn't say you couldn't put it on. I just said it doesn't come with it.
Yeah.
I said it didn't come with it.
But I thought 11 was the one we wanted to stay away from.
No, not now. You want to.
You're not going to have a choice.
Yeah. So, yes, you could do Notepad or you could do the built-in one. Yes, WordPad or whatever they call it.
Yeah, Notepad. Note.
Yep, and Note. Very good. So those are definitely a couple ways, and how we do that is after we hit our Windows key, we could type in Notepad, for example, or whatever program that we want, right?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay. So we're a brand new user, right? And when now we talked a little bit about how to navigate. Where would I go to even get JAWS? You know, as a new person, I want JAWS. I've heard about JAWS. I hear it's wonderful. Where would I even go?
To the Freedom Scientific website.
Okay, is that it? Just go read it, Freedom Scientific, and I'm downloading JAWS?
You have to read their license agreement before you can install it first.
So what you're saying? If I just type freedomscientific.com.
Right.
Jaws is now downloading for me.
You have to go to the section where it allows you to download the
Download
latest
the
version.
software.
Right. Now, you could type in freedomscientific.com/downloads/Jaws.
Right.
And then you can tab to where it says installer, hit enter, and it will download it.
Mm-hmm.
Now,
Very
what is
nice.
what is one thing that is required that we must have while installing any program on our Windows machine?
Sound cards.
No.
Oh, close.
I mean, you do want to have sound, but what's required to install any program?
The RAM?
Well, you gotta have RAM. Yes, you gotta have a hard drive and working internet.
How are we communicating right now?
Lysol.
Using Zoom.
Yes.
Audio.
Internet.
Oh, the internet, yes.
And what else do you need besides internet? There's something that's very important after you've downloaded the Jaws.
You have to install it.
Right, but
You
what
have to buy the license.
What is required after you buy the license to be able to install any program on your computer?
The activation key, right?
No.
Yeah, no. Oh, okay, hold on. You need the serial number.
Well, you got all that. Let's just say you got all that. But what must you have above even that?
I was close.
Space on your computer?
Well, yeah, space on your computer. How about something?
Well, I mean, how technical are you getting? Is what I'm saying.
Windows 11.
Well,
there you go, Darren.
Admin.
Well, if it's your computer and you did that, I mean, you got to be specific. If you're using somebody else's computer, of course you're not going to have admin privileges.
Well, each person has to have admin rights on their own computer, though. It's a key here. So if you don't have admin privilege on your own computer, you can't install any program.
No.
Nope. No, because a program should be.
Would you say that again, please?
Yes, sir. I said if you're trying to install any program on your computer, unless you have admin rights, you cannot install a program onto your computer.
Admin.
Yes,
admin privilege. So if you were working for somebody else, administrator, they would have control over it, what you can do and can't do.
Mm-hmm. Such as what happens in workspaces where they lock your computer down.
Yep. Just like that, it's so weird. They won't let me go into my JAWS settings to change things, but they can't control me going into the quick settings.
Yep, that's true.
Mm-hmm.
And then after we have all that stuff, of course, we'd run the setup right. And JAWS has a
talking
guide
to go with it.
They got a guided little thing that takes you through it, that you accept the license.
Yeah.
It might tell you to reboot, right?
Yes.
And then it gives you the option to start when your computer's booted up. So it might give you several different options, right?
Yes.
Very good. Now, can you set JAWS to auto start?
You can always have your JAWS start up automatically. That's how I normally have my computer set up. I just turn it on and JAWS comes up automatically. I don't have to hit.
Except we don't have to go nuts trying to type it in all the time.
Right. So what happens if I'm a new user and I kind of mess it up, and I don't tell it to auto start, but I want it to auto start? How can I fix that?
Startup Wizard.
Well, yeah, I could, but where am I going to find that at?
Help menu.
Help menu.
Well, there's another place you can find it too.
If you press Z, it'll bring up the Startup Wizard as well.
Right,
no,
but
you have to be in the help menu to press Z to go to the startup menu.
Yeah. And you can also go into the utilities tab and find it in there as well.
Oh, shit. Okay.
Yeah.
You used to be able to. It's in the help menu.
Oh, that's right. Yeah,
it's only, if it's a help menu.
I forgot. Yeah,
help menu.
I forgot they did recently change that. Yes.
Yeah.
Same as the speech rate and all that, but we've already went over the speech rate.
Yes.
Okay. So now, without confusing me, I'm still a very new person to JAWS here,
Jaws.
and somebody said something to me about all that. Hey, you can have JAWS say all your punctuations. How can I go? Where do I go to set that where JAWS can give me all punctuations as well as the letters and stuff?
There are a couple ways, Jerry, that you can do that.
Okay, tell me one.
You can press your JAWS key and then the number 2 by itself, and it'll give you characters and words and stuff like that.
Okay, and where?
That's called the JAWS typing echo.
Okay, and so where else can I find the verbose settings at?
You could find it under your verbosity settings.
You got it. I actually said it by accident.
I got it right, Jerry.
You did. I accidentally said it. So now I'm also confused here because, somebody told me that they're using caps lock and different things to use JAWS, and then somebody else told me that they're using the 0 key or the insert key. Well, I'm new, but how do I know which one I'm supposed to use?
I'm gonna let everybody else because I don't want to. Okay, go ahead.
Darren, how do I know which one I want to use?
It has to do, to give a hint, has to do with how you're going to interact with the computer.
Yeah.
I'm not interacting with mine. I'm throwing it out the window.
Uh-huh. So what are you going to use to input?
You said it earlier, Darren.
Windows 11.
Well,
you said it was close. You said the other thing though. What do you put your hands on?
Oh, the keyboard.
Mm-hmm. So there's two types of keyboards. So either going to use caps lock for one kind of keyboard and
laptop or desktop.
Laptop or desktop.
Very good, Todd. Very good, Todd. That was awesome.
Well, she was about to say that too, guys.
But Todd beat you. Look at that.
Todd beat me. Good job, Todd.
Very good. So it depends if I have a laptop with no numpad, or if I got a desktop. And then it's all.
What happens if I got a laptop with a numpad? Ooh, there's a wrench.
There's a wrench. Does anybody know? I know, but I'm not gonna say it. Does anybody know?
You can use it as a desktop.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, very good. If it's got a numpad,
you can do it either way, and they'll both work.
I have to say, but can I also use it as a laptop? That's what I was going to ask Bill.
Yes, you can.
Thank you for telling me that. I appreciate that because my laptop has a numpad.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Mine does too.
So now
I figured out what was wrong with my keyboard too, Bill. In case you didn't hear, I changed the batteries.
So now, guys, I really need everyone's help here because, I need context. I need some context-sensitive help here using my dolls. How can I get that information?
You need what?
I need I need help based on the current screen that I'm on.
Okay. I don't know. I'm keeping my mouth shut.
How can guys help me?
F1.
What is it?
Ooh.
F1.
F1.
Just F1 by itself?
Insert F1.
Insert F1. There you go. Okay.
I was close.
You were
close. Hold on. Very close.
What is he doing that for?
Because I want
get help.
Get help with the current screen.
Specific help.
It's
specific help, or is it something else? Because it did change.
Yeah, depending on what screen I'm on, it could change.
No. No. Insert F1 doesn't do specific help anymore.
It doesn't do context-sensitive help no more?
No.
What did they change it to now?
Ulysses should know.
Ulysses, what did they change it to?
I should know this because I did a little thing on it and when it first came out and it wasn't working quite right.
FS Companion.
There you go.
FS
Insert F1 is FS Companion. Takes you to it.
Okay.
No,
Yeah.
insert spacebar F1 because you have companion.
Yeah.
That's true. It is insert spacebar.
Yeah,
Right?
insert F1 is just gives you a list of hotkeys.
So it is still it still reads current screen. Okay, very good. Okay. So so I've got that figured out. Now I
Do
want
you?
Jaws. I think so. Now I want Jaws just to read me the commands list. How would I get to read me to read the Jaws command lists for me?
Jaws commands.
Yeah, like
Hey,
general help.
Sharky.
No, not hey Sharky. like a general help basically of like a list of what Donald Jaws can do for me.
That's what I said. Hey, Sharky.
Besides that, no. What else? What else can I do, guys? I'm new. I don't know about Sharky.
Insert H.
Insert H. Ding, 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 ding.
Insert
Very
H,
good.
Mario.
Hotel.
Insert H.
Okay, now what happens if I hit F1 twice?
I'm sorry, I had to leave a minute. What happened?
What
He
happens
hit
if
F1 twice.
I hit F1 twice? What happens?
My keyboard gets mad because you hit it.
So
it turns on or off the help.
Does it matter where you are?
It's not doing anything but zoom and focus. F1 twice quickly doesn't do anything.
I didn't say quickly. I just said F1 twice.
I do it twice. It doesn't do nothing.
There's absolutely nothing in Zoom.
No.
And not, you're right. But if you're on the desktop or anywhere else, F1 twice gives you the complete Jaws help menu.
It does, yeah.
F1 twice. It's not doing anything.
No, it doesn't do it in for some reason in Zoom. Okay. So
yep, Windows Help and Windows 11.
Can you tell me what
very
F1
good.
twice does?
You have to be
I
in.
didn't hear.
You can't be in a program.
You can't be in a program, but if you hit it twice, tell them what it is again, Bill.
I was just saying it didn't do anything for me.
Tell them what it does again out of
on
a
the
program.
desktop.
Yes.
How to get help in Windows 11 search.
It's like a search for help in Windows 11, basically.
Oh.
It basically opens up Microsoft Office or
Pretty much.
Microsoft. What
Microsoft
do you call it?
Help.
Yeah, it's their website.
Yep.
Just
Isn't that
just
supposed
like
to be
if you
Windows
did the
F1?
insert space F1 for JAWS.
I was just to say Windows F1 automatically will bring up a the Windows Help too.
Yeah, it does.
I didn't
Either
know
way.
that.
Okay.
They even
Now,
bring it up in Microsoft Edge.
no,
Copilot.
oh yeah.
No, I mean that brings up the Microsoft Edge for Copilot if you do Windows F1. Okay.
How can I get quick command
Windows
lookups? How can I do quick command lookups?
For JAWS?
Yes. Yes.
Ooh, the peeps got silent.
Basically, it's like an announcement help, basically, is another way. Come on. So it's for JAWS. What's common JAWS key that we can use?
Insert JAWS key.
With JAWS key?
Insert.
Insert is one. And I want to and I want quick command.
Bill's
lookup.
having conniption.
Insert. Yes, somebody said insert finally.
I did. I think
Insert F1.
Bill needs some gummies.
I do.
Yes. It's
Clean
insert
hand.
F1.
Insert F1.
Oh. What is
What does
insert
insert
FQ?
F1
Insert.
do?
What does insert?
F1 do.
Can't say it.
What does insert
What does
F1
insert
do?
F1
F1 do?
Yes, that was the question.
JAWS hotkeys. A list of JAWS hotkeys?
The
Is that
Yeah.
what we're looking for?
Yes.
Very good.
Well, insert H does JAWS hotkeys.
Correct.
Insert
Insert F1 does
F1
what? Listen. Here we go,
gives you
you guys.
specific hotkeys. Well, what is you insert W? You did that one, right?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
What about that letter next to it?
What's next to W?
E.
E.
Q.
Are the
Q.
screen sharing?
Press insert Q there, Darren. Tell us what it says.
Call settings. Enter.dll.
Hang on a second.
I just did.
Press F6 to move between meeting controls and reclaim host top of escape.
Did y'all hear it?
Default settings. Enter.dll. NNOTER.
Dude, Jaws is like slow, Kenny. I mean fast.
Very slow, Kenny. Whoa, my God, it's so slow. Really driving me crazy.
Zoom software settings.
Enter.dll. NNOTER.
It's Zoom software settings.
Lower high.
Yeah.
Escape.
I'm doing it, Darren, so you guys
Okay.
all can hear it.
So what if I'm in somewhere else?
DLL.
What do you want me to be in?
Escape.
Go to the desktop.
Windows D. Desktop.
Okay, now insert Q.
Mm-hmm.
Default settings. Shell 32.dll. SHDL.
They're specific to where you are.
God.
Yep.
And
Escape.
it's specific to that program, actually. Not, it's neither JAWS or Windows.
Now what's this?
And then
Desktop list view can
Oh,
escape.
what's this?
Screen share. JAWS may not recognize this control. Link to show JAWS what type of control it is. Press JAWS key +7. Link to see more information. Escape.
Mm-hmm.
Jaws key 7.
Zoom workplace. Screen share Zoom. Press the space bar to activate this button. Link list JAWS hotkeys. Press escape to close this message.
That was insert F1.
It's a rough one.
so now I'm going to give you guys the hardest one of the whole entire night. Are you ready for this one?
Yes.
And also the last one for the night.
Uh-oh.
Nice.
What?
So once again, I'm new, and you guys got me into Zoom somehow. I don't even know how you guys got me into Zoom. So Kenny, go to your Zoom.
Zoom workplace.
Hey, you guys got me. That's fine.
Okay.
So you guys got me on Zoom. I don't even know how you guys got me there, but I want to go to my desktop. How can I get to my desktop, guys?
Windows D.
Windows D.
Windows D.
Windows D.
Desktop.
Yes.
Folder
Very
view.
good.
View. Not
Very good.
selected.
Windows and D.
Cycle bin.
Now that's just.
Slower,
Can I go
slower,
any
slower.
slower?
Not
No, you're
Am I
fine.
driving
Kenny.
anybody else
Slower.
crazy?
Kenny,
Yes, sir. Am I driving anybody else crazy but me?
Faster, Kenny, faster.
Yeah,
No,
faster,
stop it.
please.
So anyhow, okay. So with that, guys, and that's not all the navigation, obviously, but that's a start. I told you this was just a start to understanding how to
One.
begin.
Opening new window. How to get help in Windows 11
Stop it,
search
Kitty.
Microsoft Edge. How?
So that's just a beginning of learning how to navigate with JAWS. You know, of course, there's a lot more that you can go into. There's reading commands. However, I didn't want to quite go that deep. I just wanted to get you a basic, hey, how can I get to certain places? And how can I get help? Yeah. And like, how can I get help if I'm stuck?
Mm-hmm.
So, and with that, we are now going to stop the recording because now the class